For this chapter of math, we are going to be learning about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional means that they kind of pop out at you. They are not flat. So three-dimensional or 3D means that they look like they pop out at you. So we're going to be talking about some of those shapes. So, what three-dimensional shapes do you see in this sand castle? What's one three-dimensional shape you see? A square is a flat shape. A three-dimensional shape is popped out. So what is that called when it's popped out? No, that's also flat.
Cube.
A cube. Can you circle a cube on the picture for me? Oops, sorry.
This one.
Okay. Very good. That is a cube. So do you see the difference between a cube and a square? A square is just flat, and it takes a lot of squares, 6 squares, to make a cube. Okay, bless you. What other three-dimensional shape do we see?
A cone.
A cone. Can you come circle the cone? See how it is not a triangle because it pops out. The triangle is flat. What other three-dimensional shape do you see? A cylinder. Very good. Can you come circle the cylinder? Very good job. Okay. So, how would you describe a cube? How would you describe a cube?
Square, except it has a thread in the middle and four sides.
Okay, very good. So it's got some empty space in the middle. Could I put stuff inside my cube? Sure. Can I put stuff inside of a square? No. So that's the difference between three-dimensional shapes and flat shapes or two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so keep that in mind.